If you're thinking about taking commercial premises and you're worried about getting it wrong, that's a smart instinct. A premises move can help delivery and credibility, but a lease is rarely just rent. In the UK, leases often run for years, while your business can change in months. The wrong deal can lock in cost and risk. Here's a simple way to decide with structure. 1. Model the true monthly cost, not just rent. Include business rates, service charge, landlord insurance, utilities, maintenance, compliance, and fit out. Also budget for legal fees, deposits, and dilapidations, the end of lease repair bill you can be asked to pay. 2. Focus on flexibility, not lease length. Ask, can you leave early? Can you assign the lease to someone else? Can you sublet? How does rent increase over time? What must you repair or reinstate when you exit? A break clause can help, but only if you can meet its conditions. 3. Build a one-page decision pack. Compare at least 2 options. Show true cost, key trade-offs, main risks, and your recommendation in plain English. 4. Stress test the downside. Check. What if revenue is 20% lower for 6 months? What if headcount plans change? What if fit-out costs run higher? If it still works, you're safer. 5. Plan the exit on day 1. Know your earliest exit date, your backup route, and your end of lease obligations. Quick checklist before you sign. Have we modelled true cost? Tested the downside? Secured flexibility? Understood rent reviews and repairs? If any answer is unclear, pause and structure it. Premises can accelerate growth, but only if the deal is safe. Hope that helps.